Dear students, I welcome you all for today's chemistry lecture. Before starting of the syllabus, all of you must be familiar with the 2 points. That 2 points are chapter-wise distribution of the marks, and second is format of question paper for your annual exam for 2021. Okay, as all of you are familiar, there are total 16 chapters in your chemistry 12th standard syllabus. Out of that 16 chapters, as you know, chemistry is a vast subject. There are three main branches of chemistry: physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry, and organic chemistry. Here, and somewhat chapters are related with applied chemistry also. So out of 16 chapters, first 6 chapters are related with the physical chemistry. Next 3 chapters are related with the inorganic chemistry. Then next 4 chapters are related with the organic chemistry, and last 3 chapters are related with the applied chemistry here. So first we will see the distribution of marks for each and every chapter here. So first marks are written, marks without option, and second marks are with option for each and every topic. Name is not written in the detail on the board, but I will tell you the name. And for that you can refer also your 12th standard textbook here. Now first topic is solid state. Marks without option are 3 and with option marks are 5. Second topic is solutions. Marks without options are 4 and with options are 6. Third topic is ionic equilibria. Marks without options are 4, with options are 6. Fourth topic is chemical thermodynamics. Marks without options are 6, with option marks are 8. Then fifth chapter is electrochemistry. Marks without options are 5, with options are 7. Then sixth topic is chemical kinetics. Marks without options are 4, with option marks are 6. So these are the 6 topics, as I told, related with the physical chemistry. And if you carry total number of marks without option for the physical chemistry section, that marks are 26, and with option marks are 38. Now next chapter, that is chapter number 7, 8 and 9, as I told, related to the inorganic chemistry. So chapter number 7 is elements of group 16, 17 and 18. So marks without options are 6, with option marks are 8. Next topic is transition and inner transition element. Marks without options are 6 and with option marks are 8. Then chapter number 9 is coordination compound. Marks without options are 5, with option marks are 7. So these are the 3 topics having a marks without option weightage 17 marks and with option 23 marks, related with the inorganic chemistry section. Now chapter number 10, halogen derivatives. Marks without options are 5, with option marks are 7. Next chapter is alcohol, phenols and ethers. So weightage of marks is 4 and 6, marks without option and with option. Then next topic is aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. Marks without options are 6, with option marks are 8. Then chapter number 13, name of the topic is amines. Marks without options are 3, with option marks are 4 here. So all these 4 chapters are related with the organic chemistry, and marks without option weightage is 18 for this section, and with option it is having a weightage of 25 marks. Now the last section, applied chemistry. In that section there are 3 chapters. Chapter number 14 is biomolecules, which is having a weightage of 3 marks. That marks are without option, and with option this topic carries 4 marks weightage. Now chapter number 15 is introduction to polymer chemistry. Here having same weightage is there like last topic 3 and 4, without option, with option. And last topic, green chemistry and nanochemistry. This topic is also having the same weightage like previous topic. Without option marks are 3, with option marks are 4. So students, as you are familiar, your paper is having a 70 mark weightage here. So if you count marks without option, the total of all the topic comes 70. And if you count with option, it comes 98 here. So overall your paper with option is of 98 marks, and without option, that is compulsory marks, that is 70 marks here. So now you are familiar with the chapter wise distribution of mark for each and every topic with both type of mark, with option and without option. And as I told, there are 4 sections, so each section having how much weightage of marks, that is also now you are familiar. When you are doing the preparation for your board exam, now you are familiar the weightage of the topic, and accordingly you can prepare for board exam. Okay, now the second, format of question paper for your upcoming board exam 2021 here. Now your paper, already I told, theory 70 marks, practical having 30 marks weightage, and total 100 marks. So for your practical, don't think right now regarding practicals, because all of you are familiar, we are facing a corona problem right now. But practical handbook cum journal is available in the market now. So regarding practical experiments, its instructions here, marking scheme regarding for that experiment, you have to follow a practical handbook cum journal, which is published by Maharashtra State Bureau of Textbook Production and Curriculum Research, Bal Bharati, Pune. This book is mandatory for all from this year. So you have to refer the book for the practical for 30 marks. Now about your 70 marks, what is the nature of your question paper and what type of questions are there in that question paper. So mainly 5 types of questions are there in your question paper. Okay. Now first type is MCQ, multiple choice questions. So such type of 10 questions are there carrying 1 mark each in your paper. Second type is VSA, that is very short answer questions. So such type of 8 questions are, which also carries 1 mark each in your question paper. Then third type is short answer type 1 questions, which is having a weightage of 2 marks. Such type of 12 questions are there in your question paper, and total weightage is 24 marks. Then fourth type, short answer second type of question, which is having a 3 marks weightage. Such types of again 12 questions are there in your question paper, each question having a 3 marks weightage. So total weightage out of 98 is 36 marks. And last, long answer type of question. So such type of 5 questions are there in your question paper, having a weightage of 4 marks each. So total 20 marks are there in your question paper. So like that distribution is there out of 98 of type of question here. Now as you know, there are 4 sections in your question paper. Section A, Section B, Section C and Section D. Here 4 sections are there. Now what type of questions are there in every section here? So in section 1 there are 2 questions. Question 1 is of multiple choice question. You have to select the correct option and you have to write the answer. So such type of 10 questions are there carrying 1 mark each. And when you are writing the answer for multiple choice questions, one thing you have to keep in mind that here, along with the answer, you have to write the correct alphabet for that answer. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is a very short answer type of question. So such type of 10 questions are there under this 1 to 8, carrying 1 marks each. So total 8 marks are there. So 10 plus 8, total 18 marks this section carries. Now section B. In section B there are total 12 questions. Out of that you have to attempt any 8. Here you are having a choice. Any 8 you can attempt out of 12. So each question having a weightage of 2 marks here. So 8 into 2, this section carries total 16 marks. Now section C. In section C also there are 12 questions, but here each question having a 3 marks weightage. But one thing you have to note down, again here you have to attempt any 8 out of 12. So here 3 marks weightage is there for each question. So 3 into 8, 24 mark weightage is there for section C. Now last section of your question paper. Now in this section there are total 5 questions having a weightage of 4 marks. But here you have to attempt any 3. So 3 into 4, 12 marks are there for these sections. So in this manner total comes 70 here. Now there are two important points regarding the nature of question paper. First point is that here 12 to 15 marks weightage is given to the numerical, and as per the board instructions numerical must be included in each and every section. Now in section A, in question 1, there are two numericals expected. Now you are familiar that there are 10 MCQs, out of that 2 MCQs based on numericals. Now in question number 2, one numerical is expected here. Here 8 short questions are there, you are familiar, very short answer questions. Out of that, one question is based on numerical. And in section B and section C both, here minimum 2 numericals are expected. And in the last section D, here numerical but having a weightage of only 2 marks in the sub question is expected. So that is the choice of paper setter actually, but minimum 12 and maximum 15 marks weightage is given to the numericals here. And if you want to understand the difficulty level of the question paper, here 3 types of questions are there: easy questions, average questions, and difficult questions here. So easy questions weightage is near about 30% in your exam. Then average type having a weightage of 50%, and difficult type of questions having a weightage of nearly 20% here. If you want to know in terms of marks this percentage, easy questions 29 marks, average questions 49 marks, and difficult questions 20 marks. So again total comes 98 here. So not so many difficult questions are there in the board exam here. So this is about what? Chapter wise distribution of mark and format of question paper. I think no doubt is there in your mind regarding these 2 points. Now after this point we are starting our actual syllabus. So I want to start with the halogen derivatives chapter from the organic chemistry section. Now in this chapter what you are going to learn? So first point is what are halogen derivatives. Then second point is how that halogen derivatives are classified. Then one more classification is there, how monohalogen compounds are classified. Then nomenclature of the halogen derivatives. Then there are some preparation methods for the alkyl halides. The next point is some chemical reactions, some chemical properties of alkyl halides are given. Now out of that 8 nucleophilic substitution reactions are given in your present chapter, and remaining reactions are, out of that one is elimination reaction, and second reactions are reactions with active metal like magnesium and sodium. That properties, chemical properties are given related with the particularly alkyl halides here. After that you are going to learn SN1 and SN2 mechanisms here. Then you are going to study physical properties of alkyl halides also here. Then after that optical activity, actually optical isomerism for halogen derivatives is your point. In that point, what is chiral carbon or asymmetric carbon, what are enantiomers, what is optically active compounds, or what is optical activity, and related explanation is given, what is plane polarized light and so on. That explanation is given in your textbook. And last point of the topic is related with some chemical properties of haloarenes, that is aryl halides. So under that 4 or 5 chemical properties are given. And last point of the topic is some uses and environmental effects of polyhalogen compounds are mentioned in your topic. But now student, I want to clear one thing, that there are 4 points. So representation of configuration, then laboratory test for haloalkanes, Sandmeyer's reaction, and last point of the topic, that is uses and environmental effect of some polyhalogen compound. These 4 points are dropped for this year for your board annual exam. So except that 4 points, whatever may be the remaining points, serially I am going to take that all points in the next lecture.